So continuing with the general principles and isolation of the elements, we come to the few more questions. Question number 11. What is define electrolytic refining, or what is electrolytic refining? After the extraction of metal from its ore, it is seen that metal is associated with some impurities. It is not 100% pure. For 100% purification of the metal, we use the different refining method. One of such method is electrolytic refining. This method is used to purify number of metals like copper, aluminium, zinc, etc. Now, what is done in this case? The impure metal is made as anode of the electrolytic cell, and the pure metal in the form of thin rod of that metal, it is made as cathode. This is pure copper cathode having negative charge, anode is having positive charge in the electrolytic cell. This is impure copper, or we can say it is extracted कॉपर. जो कॉपर आपने एक्सट्रैक्ट किया है वो ये कॉपर है. और इस इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल के अंदर व्हाट वी हैव टू अटैच, वी हैव टू पुट ए सॉल्यूशन ऑफ मोल्टन सॉल्यूशन ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट. नाउ इट इज कनेक्टेड टू योर बैटरी to pass electric current through this voltmeter. Now what happens on passing electric current? The copper sulfate, it will get ionized into copper 2 positive ion and sulfate ions. Now copper having positive charge, it will move to cathode and will accept 2 electrons there, will change into copper. Now at anode sulfate ions will move, it will lose electron there and will dissolve copper from anode and will form CuSO4 again. This CuSO4 again come in the solution and ionizes in this manner. So with the passage of time, the impurities which were present in the anode, they get collected below the anode, and these impurities, they are called as anode mud. And whole of the pure copper, it goes to cathode, it get deposited there. कॉपर जो है वो वहाँ पर जमना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. तो इस तरह से हम कॉपर को प्यूरिफाई कर सकते हैं by electrolytic refining. Then we have next question, question number 12. Discuss pyrometallurgy of iron. So what is pyrometallurgy? Pyre stands for heat. So any oxide ore, when it is reduced to metal by the action of heat, oxygen is separated from that metal, or by using some you can say the reducing agent which can take up oxygen from these metal oxides. That extraction is called as pyrometallurgy. So in pyrometallurgy of iron, we extract iron from oxide ore, or if we are having sulfide ore, it is roasted to get oxide ore. And if we have hydrated ore, then it is calcined to get Fe2O3 plus water. So this roasted or calcined ore is now mixed with coke and limestone in the ratio of 8:4:1. 8 पार्ट और लेना है, 4 पार्ट आपने कोक लेना है, 1 पार्ट यू हैव टू टेक लाइमस्टोन. It is introduced in the smelting furnace. इसको स्मेल्टिंग फर्नेस में टॉप से इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. ये एक लॉन्ग फर्नेस है और इसकी लंबाई लगभग 15 से 30 मीटर तक हो सकती है. तो इस फर्नेस में ऊपर एक डबल कप एंड कोन अरेंजमेंट होता है जहाँ से और कोक और लाइमस्टोन के मिक्सचर को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. एंड फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ द फर्नेस हॉट एयर इट इज ब्लास्टेड. दिस हॉट एयर in the bottom zone it combines with the downcoming coke, that is called as zone of combustion. In this zone, this is the lower part of the smelting furnace where temperature is around about 875 Kelvin, 73 Kelvin. Here carbon combined with oxygen to give you CO2 and produces a large amount of heat. Due to which the temperature of this zone it goes up to 1800, 1873, 75 Kelvin, and this carbon dioxide now moves up and combines with downcoming coke, that will be called as zone of absorption. ऊपर जाकर CO2 will combine with carbon to give you 2CO, and this is a endothermic reaction. It absorbs heat about this much of heat. So when this much of heat is absorbed, the temperature of this zone falls to 1575 Kelvin. So zone of absorption में temperature falls here. Then we have middle part of the furnace, which is called as zone of slag formation. In the middle part of the furnace, temperature is around about 1000 Kelvin. Here you can say CaCO3 breaks up to give you CaO plus CO2, and this CaO, this is now called as flux. It will combine with impurities of silica. Silica is one of the impurity which is present in the iron ore. Iron ore में जो सिलिका impurity है that is present. तो उस impurity को निकालने के लिए